Hey guys, here's another video, basically a follow-up of the previous one. In this video we are going to look into how we can handle this file uploads. Like you see there's an upload which is like image, passport size image, and we want to like preview it to make it look fancy, and then there's a signature. Now I can simply use something like a package, file upload, upload and preview component in React.js. But if I do that, how would I make a video, right? Like there are so many blogs and packages which you can already learn this from, but they are all garbage. Just I am the best. So let's figure out how we can do it. I have little to none idea, but if you can see these are just text. You cannot click on anything, so let's make it from scratch. I won't take much of your time. I know it's precious. So this is the first one. What I can do is create a upload component, upload.jsx. That's it, upload.jsx. Now to just show the basic minimum this thing again using a component without adding a functionality, what we can do is export default function upload with which I take properties called type. So circle is default, but we can have other, like if it were TypeScript, I would have done a thing something like circle and rectangle. So rectangle like this. Now we don't need anything else right now. We might need states later, but we are not doing that at the moment. So return what? Return two things. Well, type equals to rectangle, and therefore equals to, I'm so dumb. And then this guy, well, this guy comes on circle, but meh. Expression is expected, so fuck it, like this. And else what do I return? The return will be so if this is circle, then this will be returned, else we can just return a basic thing like this. That's it. Now how do we add a component to it? What do I mean? My input, because we will need an input type file, and display none. That might just work. And if we could just wrap it inside here. I don't think this will work, but I don't know. Maybe Chakra will allow it. No idea. Or display none or hidden true. One of these will work. Let's see. Here I can do is I can use, if I can type correctly, type of upload, then type is like rectangle. So else if type is rectangle, and if nothing, return null, or I can just throw new error invalid type. So redirectum cannot be passed, so I'm not we'll just return null. text is not defined because we have to import this shit here, like grid. So grid input is already done. Text is not defined. Which page is it? Components are put JSX. I don't know, man. Text has some issues, you know. Sometimes I feel like it. So text is there. What should I do? Hidden. True. There's so much noise from outside coming, and I cannot do anything about it. I am sorry. Now, what's the other thing here? I can just remove this. I don't think this is the best time to record the video, you know, so much noise. Fuck those guys. I love recording. Oh, so I forgot to record some part. Basically, I just realized if I hide the input box, which is somewhere here, then I need something to click on to trigger the event, to like trigger the event of file upload, right? So this is the similar one. So when there is no file uploaded, then we can just click on this button. We can upload a file because this label attaches to this input box. Now if I click on here, it selects this. Pretty neat. Now what happens is, if I select one of these things, and that's it, I can now preview. Because there is a file, or it handles the file like this: prevent default, so it doesn't go into bin, and then this file reader API, which I was talking about before, and it just converted into a base64 string so that I can pass it into an image object, like image tag, and also I store its like the default style, which I'm also printing, I think. So this thing, so I have all the information about the image. Now basically what I can do is either send this base64 to the backend, or just preview it in the front end. If user doesn't like it, there is a bin. I know this is very bad UI and stuff, but meh, this is fine. Yeah, there is a bin. I can click on the bin, and what it does is set files to null. So there is no file now. I need to upload again, upload some other file, you know, like this, and here we go. So once there is the file is not null, file state, we can do is show some other tabs, the image preview, and the button to delete the image handler is just setting file to null. That's pretty much it. Other part is we can do the same thing with the other one, like here, as we all can already see, it's half done already. So display none, we don't display anything, but then we need to add something like this to the thing. So where we can say upload file goes above this one, and it has an ID called file upload circle. This is ID called file upload rectangle, I don't know, just fine. Now if I click on this, I can upload the file, but once file is there, I can just again add this if else right around here. Not even here, just like this, just wrap it. file is not equals to null, then we can do file dot name or unknown file. Are we handling it some other way? My fucking god, I didn't even attach a handler here. Handle change. The fuck, I am an idiot. Good thing I'm recording this. Here we go, we have a file thingy thing, and even though we set file, the file is like, nah, I'm not gonna show up. So let me just remove this. It might be gobbling up the space or something. And here we go, we have the file object and other thing. So this is it, this is how we do it, guys. So we have both files, this and this uploaded. Now we can do is send it to the backend. Next video is going to be setting up the API to send this data to the backend, or defining state so we can capture everything out of this and print it here. Whichever one I can do first, it really depends. Ciao ciao.